Hello, Michaela. Just demonstrate really quickly for you here in this video how full width page option works for pages, since you were asking about it, and I thought actually it might be easier to show you this way than screenshots and typing and stuff. Okay, so real quickly we'll do it. I've opened the accessibility page, and let's right now the full width content is turned off. So let's try turning that on. And we need to update the page to do that, to make that save. Okay, and look at the page on the front. Okay, so as you can see now, that's given us full width content. Obviously that's not suitable for this section, and you'll notice that this section, even though it's stretched the background full width, the content is still contained with a limited width, which is good. So yeah, so that's the first thing you do. We need to go out. If we had to go ahead, say you wanted, for example, this section's fine, but we want this section to also be contained. We need to put those elements into a container. So let's add a container, and we'll move it up, and we'll put these guys in. Once we have a spacer. Oops. Okay. Nope, that didn't work. Spacer. Okay. I'll just try to get them all in here. This is easier if you do it. Something's not working for my container here. There. Okay, got it in that time. Spacer needs to go up. Anyway, I think you get the idea. I usually create containers first, and then I start adding elements into the container. That way you don't have to move them in later. It's a little bit easier. Okay. Get them all moved in. Almost done. Okay, the spacer can be outside the container, it's fine. So now we have two containers. And in the container settings, we have a full width container, which is good. If you have any background color, you want that to be full width probably, to take the whole width of the screen. And then the inner container is contained width, and you can manually set that to a pixel amount if you want. All the other settings should be fine. So if I update that page now, and look on the front, okay, so that's basically that. I want to put a spacer, here, because actually the full width page removes all paddings as well. So you need to add in some space. Actually, the other way to do that, probably the better way of doing that would be to, let's remove this spacer, remove that block. In the container settings, I might go to spacing and actually put either a margin or padding. I could do a top padding of 80 pixels, and that's probably good. So let's try that. Instead of using a spacer, I'll use a padding. There we go. Cool. So that's that. You can go ahead and try that out yourself. That's basically it. That's all there is to it. Full width page content, no paddings. Okay, bye bye.